Assalamu alaikum. I have this corrupted BIOS file. It belongs to Lenovo LOQ laptop. The issue of the laptop is working with a black screen. The file size is 32 megabyte. Let's see how to fix this file. When you look to the file, you can see that it belongs to Intel platform because the descriptor region in the beginning. The full length is 2 million because the file size is 32 megabyte, and this is regular footer. Let's find the DMI. Here is the model number, machine type, and serial number. The serial should be 8 digits. I will go now to Lenovo website to search for this serial. As you can see here, it has the same model number. From here we can see the CPU of the laptop and more specs. I will go now to download the BIOS. Here, this keyword NFCN should be in our original file. Yes, it is here, and 34 is our BIOS version, but on Lenovo we have 41 because it is the last version, the latest version. From here we can know the compatible devices because sometimes one BIOS file can be for more than one device, but in our case it is just for this model. I will go now to download that file. Here is the file. We can extract it like this. This is what we are looking for. I don't think this will be a full BIOS because the full length is smaller than our file, so it will just be a BIOS region but with extra length. I will copy the footer of my file and search for it here. This should be here. I will delete all this extra data. No, I have to save the file first. No problem. Let's give it any name, like this, .bin. Now I can delete the extra length. You can search for iFlash to find the header of the BIOS region. It should be this. Let's delete this extra data. Now the full length of this file is 1 million. So if I go here to 1 million, yeah, it looks the same here. Also, I need to check the file version. Here is 41, here is 34. Now I can copy all of this and replace it here. Use paste right, don't use paste insert because it will add more length. Now let's save this file. New .bin. Now I have to transfer the DMI, the serial number and model number from this file. As we already know, this is our serial number. If I press F3, it is mentioned again, so 2 times. here and here. I should copy until this offset. So maybe I can start from here, from this offset. Yeah, from here, and select block of 2000. Yes, it is the right length. If I go to the same block in the new file, I will see it empty like this. So I will best try it here. If I search here, I will find my serial. So it is good. Let's see what about the OEM Windows key. If I search here for the Windows key, no, there is no Windows key, so I don't have to copy it. Now it is the time to clean ME region for our file. I can use ME Analyzer to analyze the file. File system state is initialized because the file is used before, it is not clean. I can use the same CSME version, but I will try the version from Lenovo. Here, Intel ME engine, Intel management engine. I can download this one. Here is the file. I will use Inu extractor to get the bin file. This one. Yes. Now I can analyze this file to see if it is suitable for my file or not. This one have the same SQ, consumer H, yes, but the version is higher, no problem. I got it from the vendor website, so it's fine. Now let's clean the ME region. I will use this tool, modular flash image tool, version 16.1. I need to clean this file. Here is the version. Drag the file here. It is ready. Now I have to press save config. I will copy the ME region and go to this path. I have to replace it with this one, ME subpartition. Then you can delete this file. Now I need to open the saved file. Here. Config loaded successfully. Now build successful. This is just a warning image. This should be our final file. Let's analyze it. I don't need this. Yes, the file is configured. You can see here the old file was initialized, but this one is configured. Now I can use this file. I hope you learned something new from this video, and we'll see you soon inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.